What's going on, guys? Football Cards and Stickers here, and we have 10 packets of the Panini Prism FIFA 2014 World Cup trading card collection to open. So we're just going to get straight into it and rip this packet open. So first up we have Valencia, followed by Kombarov. Next up we have a host city there, Silesen, Thomas Müller, and Alexis of Chile in the first pack. Next pack we have Eden Hazard, Rafael Varane, the Argentinian national team there. Next up Shaqiri, Snyder, and Hernandez. Next pack we have Zapata, Kokorin, a Guardian, Frank Lampard, Hulk, and Manuel Neuer. In the fourth pack we have Itangi, Matuidi, Vargas, Gerrard, Bonucci, and Philip Lahm. So a base pack there. Next pack we have Yepes, Cáceres, we have Cub Captain Iker Casillas of Spain, Osvaldo, Xavi Hernandez, and the magnificent Arjen Robben. On the sixth pack, and it is Gian, Zabaleta, followed by a Prism stars here of Cafu, the right back, former right back of Brazil, Yoshida, Xavi Alonso, and Danny Welbeck, the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Next up we have Bravo, Nicolu, the Bosnia national team, Lichtsteiner, De Jong, and Marcelo. Next up we have Ribery, Cuadrado, a Netbuster, Landon Donovan, Wilkshire, Jones, and Nagatomo. Ninth pack up we have Lugano, Canizis, a Guardian card, Sergio Ramos, Daniel Sturridge, and finally the Gorilla, Giorgio Chiellini. And in the final pack of this 10-pack opening, here we have Mascherano, Mandzukic, and we have a kind of pink prism card, Nagatomo, Khedira, Ochoa, and Benaglio. So that completes this 10-pack opening of the Panini Prism official FIFA World Cup collection. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, guys, and of course I'll see you guys all in future videos. But until then, arrivederci.